Hi guys, welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to record FaceTime call. Let's start. So if you're one of those people who are very sentimental and just want to make sure that you record all precious moments having a FaceTime call with a loved one, and you probably wanted to keep you probably wanted to store or keep a memory of that, then there's a way for you to do that. There are tons of ways to do that by either having to sync your phone with your Mac or using a separate app or another third party applications that you can use to record your FaceTime call. But what I'm going to be showing you right now is just a trick, a very easy trick that you could record your FaceTime call. So how it's done, first things first, guys, you just need to make sure that your screen recording is set up. So what's screen recording? If you actually swipe down your upper right of your screen, you would see here the circle. If you look at the lowest left portion of the screen, you would see like a circle beside the wavelength or just below the flashlight, right? So that's your screen recording button. And you just need to tap on that for you to record your FaceTime. So I can't tap on that one right now because I'm screen sharing, so it would give me a message like cannot do while airtime is whatever. But where to set that up, guys? Go to your settings, okay, and then go to control center. From there, you just need to make sure that your screen recording is under included controls. You just need to make sure that it's there. So when you're able to start your FaceTime already, you just swipe down and then you just tap on this button right here. All right? So once you do that, you're all set for recording your FaceTime call. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.